Looking to get sleek, smooth, and shiny hair? Then you're going to love our Liquid Glass Smoothing Shampoo and Conditioner. Both are rich and luxurious, but are still lightweight and won't weigh your hair down. The result is a smooth, shiny, frizz-free finish. They contain vegan keratin, a highly moisturizing protein that builds over time to help seal, reinforce, and smooth the hair cuticle. Murumuru Butter helps soften and improve hair manageability without weighing it down. And Neroli Oil helps prevent frizz and provides a high-shine, glossy finish. Our unique formulas are great for smoothing all hair types, even the finest of hair. For the shampoo, use a generous dollop. Start at the roots and massage vigorously throughout the hair. Rinse thoroughly and repeat if needed. For the conditioner, same amount, a nice sized dollop. Apply it from the mid-shaft to ends, then leave in for 1 to 5 minutes. Rinse well and blow dry as usual. Look how shiny and smooth! Just like liquid glass. Thanks for watching! Peace, love, and blowouts!